Thank you for watching this video. This is my Video Unity channel, how to make wonderful game with Unity. You know me, my name is Youri Terdik and I show you how to make wonderful game in Unity. But today it's not a tutorial video, it's a special video about the project I have to show you. I worked on a game for 9 months and you will see today the game I worked in. So prepare yourself. The game is Recycler Peanut Butter. Okay, this is my game. What's the color peanut butter? I will not show you all the game, but I want to show you only that. Okay, I work with Overgame Studio on this game. And Overgame Studio and Yuzuke Takahashi helped me to make this game a reality. It's a game about humanity and the Earth, the planet, and kaiju. The kaiju want to attack humanity, but humanity will destroy the kaiju. But there is no resource on the planet, so they have to recycle resources to defend against the kaiju extraterrestrial. You will see next time how to play this game. I'm very happy to share with you this information about this game, and I'm very happy that you can see what's the color in a battle on Steam very soon. So please hope that you enjoy the game. Thanks for you watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and to like and to share and to give money, please. Thank you.